in a duplex situation, what are the ramifications when the other party will not contribute to insurance? Is it possible to go it alone with the insurance and only pay for the duplex that you own?
Thanks, Nikki. And thanks for the introduction. I just wanted to also start by saying that, I'm always open to anyone contacting me at any time if they want advice about insurance. It's not just for our clients. We give free advice all the time on the phone. So if any of your listeners have any questions outside of this webinar, they can always pick the phone up and give me a call, and I'm happy to assist with their questions. Now, in relation to duplexes, I guess the first thing to establish is, does the duplex have common walls or a common roof? If it has got either of those things, then the building must be insured as one property, and therefore it must fall under a strata title property policy. If you're having issues with the other lot owner contributing to that policy, the first advice I give anyone is to try and resolve it without it being a conflict between yourself and that owner. So have a chat to them. And if you can't talk reason with that owner, then there is availability of the commissioner who can make orders that the owner does pay for their portion of the insurance. If the property doesn't have common walls, you can, and it is a standalone property, your lot is a standalone property, you can insure it separately under home insurance. But the Act does say that the common property, so that could be things like driveways or other areas of common land, must have public liability insurance. So it can sometimes be difficult to get around that specific requirement of sharing a policy, but it does look at specific circumstances. But if your home doesn't have a common wall or roof and is a standalone property, then you can insure it separately. And if it's not, you can't. Yeah.